Good evening, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Ladies and gentlemen, I am here at Gorakhpur Railway Museum. This is the most beautiful place in Gorakhpur that I have ever visited. And today I will show you that what this museum contains and how different it is from rest of the museums, as it explains thoroughly that what is the heritage of Indian Railway. Let me start. So as you can see, this is the Railway Museum of Gorakhpur. These are the photographs of the trains, clearly depicting the heritage of Indian Railways. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most authentic and the most genuine place in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, once you visit at this particular place, you will come to know that how dynamic our railway system is. And it is not dynamic, it has not become dynamic since only last few years or few months, but it was dynamic since last many years. Indian Railway is a pure benchmark in itself, ladies and gentlemen. Please have a look at this beautiful museum that is full of large number of artifacts. Honorable Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. And here you can see that during ancient times, when railway was in its process to get maturity level, large number of policymakers who were responsible behind making Indian Railway what it is today. This is the beautiful Railway Museum of Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, let us see something more. The ancient heritage of Indian Railways. So as you can see that there are a large number of models of great railway engines that were developed many years ago, and the pictures that I have shown you, they clearly indicate the rich heritage of Indian culture and how Indian Railway got its status that it has got today. And you will also be surprised to know that, ladies and gentlemen, Indian Railways is the best employer in the country. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Indian Railways is the best employer in the country. The number of employees that you will find in Indian Railways, you will never find that number of employee in any other organization in the country, ladies and gentlemen. And this is the most surprising factor of Indian Railways. Now here we can see the famous Gorakhnath temple, temple of Baba Gorakhnath. The name of this place is also on this temple, a holy temple for the people of Gorakhpur, not only for the people of Gorakhpur but for this entire country, ladies and gentlemen. And these are also certain pictures of railway, 1903, 1844, 1955. Ladies and gentlemen, the extent of Indian Railways is not only limited to plain areas, but Indian Railway is everywhere in the world. Doesn't matter what type of location it is. It may be plain area, it may be a mountain region, it may be anything. Indian Railway is ready to serve you anywhere in the country, ladies and gentlemen. And this is the beauty of Indian Railways. Ladies and gentlemen, I must say that whenever you come to this particular place, Railway Museum, please take your time, please explore this museum perfectly and completely. Please don't be in a hurry that you have to be here for just 1.5 hours or 1 hour and then you have to soon go back to your home. No, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to understand the real beauty of this place, you will have to spend some time here. You will have to spend some time and you will have to thoroughly analyze each and every room of this particular museum in order to understand the rich heritage of our Indian railways. Beautiful thing, ladies and gentlemen. Extremely beautiful, immensely beautiful. You cannot express the beauty of this place in words, ladies and gentlemen. I'm right here in Railway Museum, looking all these beautiful things, looking all these artifacts right in front of my eyes. Absolutely wonderful, dynamic. And then there are recreational facilities also, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see here, there is food plaza. So visitors can also enjoy food over here. Every type of food is available here, ladies and gentlemen. And let me show you one more beautiful thing that you might have not seen anywhere. If you analyze the canteen of this particular railway museum, it has been shaped in form of railway. Just have a look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is the canteen of Railway Museum, Gorakhpur. The looks of this canteen is absolutely like a bogie of a railway. Now I am entering here, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, this is the cafeteria of Indian Railway, and it has been made completely according to the sitting pattern inside Indian trains. How beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. A must-visit place. A must-visit place. As you can clearly analyze, looking at these beautiful things, that the entire canteen has been shaped up in the form of a bogie of Indian Railway. Extremely beautiful, immensely beautiful, ladies and gentlemen.